Ito, pag-usapan natin yung pagbenta ng murang bigas, 20 pesos per kilogram price. Magsisimula sa Visayas. Ang pronouncement nung una, April 28. Magsisimula na move, May 1. Then, may nagsasabi May 2. Ito na naman, may lumabas sa balita, hindi mo na itutuloy. After election na lang daw. Hala, naunsa na ni? Bakit? After election na lang. Sayang. Ito, sa Inquirer.net na balita, Palace open to deferring start of 20 kilogram rice project. Ang palasyo daw, papayag na huwag mo nang magbenta ng bigas. Today ba or tomorrow? Kasi announce na yan, May 2 eh. Ang ganda sanang bumili eh. Kung alam ko lang na meron, kailang hindi pala ako. Senior citizen pala ako. Qualified ako. Okay, so bakit? Hindi na nila ituloy. Ano ba ito? Laban bawi. Okay. So dito sinulat ito ni Jerome Aning. Dated 3 minutes ago. Kapapublish lang. Mainit-init pa na balita. Malacanang is open to the proposal. May nag-propose. Open to the proposal of the Commission on Elections to delay the implementation of the sale of rice at 20 per kilogram in the Visayas and in Kadiwa stores due to the ban on election spending 10 days before the May 12 polls. Sa proposal ng COMELEC. So, merong ban, merong pagbabawal, batas, na bawal na ang election spending 10 days. So, ibig sabihin, starting May 2, tama? May 2 hanggang 12, wala nang gagastos. So, kung magbenta ng murang bigas, spending pa rin yun, di ba? So, bawal. Salamat naman sa COMELEC na nag-propose. Bakit propose lang? Di ba ang COMELEC, independent body ito? Dapat walang pinapanigan? Parang alanganin. Correct me if I'm wrong. Kung ako ang COMELEC chairman, independent, constitutional body ako eh. Kung bawal, bawal. Sabihin ko, bawal. Di tapos. Bakit nagpro-propose? Ibig sabihin, kung ayaw ng Malacanang, kahit may ban o bawal, pwede nilang gawin. Ganun ba yun? Kasi proposal eh. Okay, ito naman ang sagot ni Jose Claire Castro. If that is the suggestion and policy of COMELEC Chair George Garcia, then we will be open to that. Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary and Palace Press Officer Claire Castro told reporters on Wednesday. So, kahapon ito. Although the COMELEC exempted the program of DA from the 45-day provision on the disbursement of public funds before election day, it was not clear if the sale of cheaper rice stocks was also exempted from the election spending ban from May 2 to May 12. Tapos, may kwan dito na national sale of 20 kilogram rice is still lacking COMELEC approval. So, dapat may approval ng COMELEC. Agriculture Secretary Francisco Tio Laurel said the project would be deferred until after election day if they fail to secure the approval of COMELEC. So, naghintay ang DA ng approval. As of now, wala pa ring approval. So, ang proposal ng COMELEC chairman, kung pwede, huwag mo nang magbenta, after the election na lang magbenta. Yun. The DA has yet to receive any notice from the full body as of this writing. So klaro na, wala pang approval ng COMELEC na magbenta sila ng 20 pesos per kilogram of rice. Ito. Under the rice program, supposed to be launched on May 1 ngayon, households in the Visayas can purchase up to 10 kilograms of rice per week or 40 kilograms a month. So, pipila ka pa bago ka makabili. Okay, ito. Nakakalungkot na nangyari sa Marikina. Kahapon ba, the other day, pila ng ayuda. Nako, isang tao, kababayan natin, namatay. Heat stroke siguro, I don't know, basta, na-collapse, namatay. Pagpila ng ayuda, I don't know kung magkano ang ayuda na pinilahan, 2,000 ba, 3,000, namatay. Meron pa, yung ibang lugar, senior citizen na-collapse. Mabuti, hindi namatay. Sa Marikina, namatay pagpila. So, sana naman, kung matuloy ito, huwag nyo nang pahirapan ng taong bayan. Huwag naman yung mahabang pila o mainit. Kasi maraming mga kababayan na gustong makabili dahil 20 pesos per kilogram. Kailan, hindi po lahat makakabili. Nakalagay dito, starting May 2, bukas, those in the vulnerable sectors, indigent, senior citizens, solo parents, persons with disabilities can purchase up to 30 kilos a month from Kadiwa centers. So, sa Kadiwa center lang pwede mabili ito, hindi sa ordinaryong mga tindahan. Tama ba? Ang pagkakaintindi ko. Tapos, yun lang, yung 4-piece. 4-piece sa indigents. 4-piece beneficiaries, senior citizen, solo parents, at saka persons with disabilities. Kung hindi kayo kasama dito sa sektor na ito, sorry na lang. Walang 20 pesos per kilogram o price para sa inyo. Sana gawin na lang lahat, di ba? Okay. Garcia suggested on Wednesday that the DA temporarily halt implementation of this initiative until after May 12 or when the 10-day total ban, total ban pala ito on election spending is lifted. This means that the lower price rice will be rolled out on May 1 as promised, but the project might be paused for 10 days after election day. Ito yung exact word ng COMELEC. I have a suggestion. Since the ban is for 10 days, if the sale of lower price rice starts on Thursday, that's okay for a rollout. The next rollout can be after the elections to avoid speculation that it will be used for politicking. Hindi nyo na po masisi ang taong bayan ngayon. Marami nang nagdududa na ito pamumulitika para makakuha ng boto ang administration candidate kasi itiniming pa naman ng eleksyon. So maganda itong proposal o suggestion ni COMELEC chairman na simulan nyo na lang ng pagbenta ng 20 pesos per kilong bigas after the election. Maganda kung matupad ito. Kailan? I don't know kung magbebenta pa sila. Okay?